how to remove songs from Instagram posts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right and then find the post where you want to remove the song from. So, to simply state it out for you, unfortunately, removing the song is not possible. For example, if you go to the three dots on the top right and then try to go to edit option and look for song removal, then you won't be able to find it because Instagram has still not introduced the feature to remove the songs that has been already added. But what you can do is you can add a partnership label. Uh, as you can see on the top, you just need to tap on add partnership label, uh, and then uh, you can see that if you add a partnership label, you can't add music to this post. So posts that have a paid partnership label can include selections from the licensed music library. So if you want to remove a song, you'll have to add a paid partnership label. I'll show you how to do it. So what you can do is go to the three dots on the top right and then scroll down, and then under for professionals you'll find account type and tools. Tap on it and then you'll see branded content, and you'll need to enable branded content. You'll need to request for it and you need to be eligible for the paid partnership level by requesting Instagram. However, if you want to not do any of this, then what you can do is simply you can go to the post, go to the three dots and just archive the post, so that if you want to remove the song, you'll have to hide the post itself. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.